Are you looking for the best vacuum cleaner of 2026 for powerful cleaning, pet hair, carpets, and hard floors? Whether you need a lightweight cordless vacuum for everyday cleaning or a powerful canister vacuum for deeper cleaning, choosing the right model can be challenging. That's why we've selected the top 5 best vacuum cleaners of 2026, comparing them based on suction power, pet hair performance, filtration, battery life, versatility, and overall value. So, let's dive into our top 5 countdown. Number 5, let's kick off our countdown with the Shark Pet Cordless Stick Vacuum 9141, a lightweight cordless vacuum designed for convenient everyday cleaning. Its hypervelocity suction provides strong cleaning performance, while the XL dust cup allows you to clean longer before emptying. LED headlights help illuminate hidden dirt, and the removable handheld design makes it easier to clean furniture, stairs, and other hard-to-reach areas. With a 40-minute runtime and included crevice and pet tools, the 9141 is a practical option for homes with pets and multiple floor types. Key features: heavy checkmark hypervelocity suction, heavy checkmark XL dust cup, heavy checkmark LED headlights, heavy checkmark removable handheld, heavy checkmark crevice pet tools, heavy checkmark up to 40-minute runtime. Final verdict: if you want a lightweight cordless vacuum with strong suction and useful pet cleaning features, the Shark 9141 is a great everyday choice. Moving on to number 4, we have the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard 280W, a cordless vacuum designed specifically for tackling pet hair and everyday messes. Its 280W motor provides strong suction, while the self-cleaning brush roll helps reduce hair buildup during cleaning. The self-standing design adds convenience, and the removable battery makes charging and replacement more flexible. It also includes an upholstery tool, making it useful for cleaning furniture and other fabric surfaces. Key features: heavy checkmark 280W strong suction, heavy checkmark self-cleaning brush roll, heavy checkmark self-standing design, heavy checkmark removable battery, heavy checkmark upholstery tool included, heavy checkmark cordless cleaning. Final verdict: if pet hair is one of your biggest cleaning challenges, the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard is a powerful and convenient cordless option. Coming in at number 3 is the Kenmore 600 Series Pet-Friendly Canister Vacuum, a powerful bagged canister vacuum designed for homes with pets and demanding cleaning needs. Its 2-motor system provides strong cleaning performance, while the Pet PowerMate helps tackle stubborn pet hair. The HEPA filter helps capture fine particles, and the aluminum telescoping wand provides additional reach. With a retractable cord and pop-and-go brush, the Kenmore 600 series combines deep cleaning performance with practical convenience. Key features: heavy checkmark 2-motor system, heavy checkmark Pet PowerMate, heavy checkmark HEPA filtration, heavy checkmark aluminum telescoping wand, heavy checkmark pop-and-go brush, heavy checkmark retractable cord. Final verdict: if you want a reliable canister vacuum with strong pet hair performance, HEPA filtration, and deep cleaning capability, the Kenmore 600 series is an excellent choice. Our runner-up is the Levoit LVAC 200, a lightweight cordless vacuum designed to make everyday cleaning easier and more efficient. Its powerful suction and anti-tangle brush are especially useful for homes with pets, helping reduce hair buildup around the brush. With up to 50 minutes of runtime, it offers excellent flexibility for cleaning larger areas. The 180-degree lay-flat design also makes it easier to reach under furniture and other low spaces. Key features: heavy checkmark powerful suction, heavy checkmark anti-tangle brush, heavy checkmark up to 50-minute runtime, heavy checkmark lightweight cordless design, heavy checkmark 180 degrees lay-flat design, heavy checkmark carpet hard floor cleaning. Final verdict: if you want a lightweight cordless vacuum with long runtime, strong suction, and excellent pet hair handling, the Levoit LVAC 200 is an outstanding choice. Taking the number 1 spot is the Shark Clean Empty Cordless Stick Vacuum BU3523, a convenient and versatile vacuum designed for everyday home cleaning. its auto-empty system makes cleanup easier, while the HEPA filtration helps capture fine particles. The motorized hand tool is also useful for removing pet hair from carpets and upholstery. With a lightweight design and up to 40 minutes of runtime, the BU3523 offers a great combination of convenience, cleaning performance, and versatility. Key features: heavy checkmark auto-empty system, heavy checkmark HEPA filtration, heavy checkmark motorized pet hair tool, heavy checkmark lightweight design, heavy checkmark up to 40-minute runtime, heavy checkmark carpet hard floor cleaning. Final verdict: if you want a convenient cordless vacuum with strong everyday cleaning performance and excellent pet hair features, the Shark BU3523 is our #1 choice for 2026. And that's our list of the top 5 best vacuum cleaners of 2026. From lightweight cordless models to powerful pet-friendly canister vacuums, we hope this guide has helped you find the right vacuum cleaner for your home, lifestyle, and cleaning needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Zivarin Tech Osif, and turn on the notification bell for more top 5 product reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Which of these vacuum cleaners would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. You'll find links to all the featured products in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.